In the last 30 days, I got to 1000 plus followers and the connection, and I have posted around the 200 comments. And let me tell you, I haven't done this single thing manually. I am using an AI tool that name is the PowerIn, and with the help of this tool, I am just automating my commenting to the relevant audience and the other users or the other writers on the LinkedIn, and with that I am getting the traction. If you don't believe me, let me go to my LinkedIn here, and if I go to the notification, you can see these are all the LinkedIn comments I have done with the PowerIn, and the people are just commenting back. They are interacting my content or the comment, and after that they are visiting my profile, following me or made a connection. Let me go to any of these one. For example, let me open this comment here and you can check it out. This is the relevant thing and the relevant post from that author on the LinkedIn, and this is my comment here. You can see this is the comment, and this is happened with the automatically here. Let me open one more, and this time let me open this one. Okay, so here is the post. Let me load up the page. So here is the post. This is the highly relevant post. Okay, and here you can see this is the comment. I also like this post here, and let me tell you, this liking process is also done with the PowerIn AI, and you can see this author is also replied me back. So that way I am getting the more followers, more connections, and with the minimum efforts. I little not doing anything. Okay, this is all the stuff automating with the PowerIn. So in today's video, I am going to give you the PowerIn features review, how you can use it for the LinkedIn and the Twitter growth with the automating comments, getting the more followers and the connection. So hey guys, this is Vasant here. Without wasting any more time, let me get started with the PowerIn. So right now PowerIn is available on the App Sumo starting from just $39, and this is the AI automation tool for the LinkedIn and the Twitter to automating your comments on the both platforms. You have to just set up on its dashboard to connecting the LinkedIn account and your Twitter account here. After that, you can see if I go to the personalized tone here, you have to select how and which tone you are going to use in your commenting. For me, I am going to with friendly, formal, optimistic. Here all the thing I can just select and configure, and you can see my LinkedIn account is connected. To use the PowerIn to both platforms and working out, you need the browser extension. No matter which browser you are using, PowerIn automating comment Chrome extension or the any other browser extension is available. You have to just add it here, and after that it will be activated automatically. You can see PowerIn is activated and work on its own on the background. No actions are required. Yes, you literally don't have to do anything. Just set up once and forget. This thing is going to work automatically. Okay, so let me give you the features and all the things available here. So this is the dashboard. Once you got its lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. You can get it from there, and if you want to check out the deal page, the link also given in the description. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, so here you can see this is the analytics part. In the different time frames you can select it here. The thing started from the here. Right now I'm on the LinkedIn here. If you want to get started with the Twitter, you can select Twitter from here, and now you are configuring the PowerIn for the Twitter. So that's pretty much easy. Let me get back to the LinkedIn because I want to show you for the LinkedIn. I am not using it for the Twitter, let me tell you that, but the process is same like I am showing you for the LinkedIn. So we have to go to the creators, and here we can just assign which kind of the creators we use. Here we have to just add the few creators profile icon, and that way we are configuring PowerIn or giving the command PowerIn that we are interested in these kind of the similar profiles. So that way LinkedIn will automatically start that way PowerIn is automatically going to all those audience that we have added and start commenting on those posts here. You can see all these posts are automatically commented by the PowerIn, and here you can see those authors or the users also replied me back. They are following me, they are made connections with me, and others users are also reading out those comments. So that way I am just massively going and getting growth in the LinkedIn here. Okay, so what you can do, you can also configure the your commenting process, like you want to add the emojis, just turn on. You want to add the hashtag, just turn on. You can select whether you want the voice for the comment in the male or the female tone. You can select that. Here so you can see the creators contacts, post comments automatically. Here so you can see I have selected that. You can also enable the tag authors, or you are just managing the LinkedIn account as the company. You have to just add the link for that company, and now this will start commenting on behalf of your company or your brand. So that is the also good way. So here's the history. Okay, and you can check it out. All these are comments done with the AI, and these are the hashtags that I have set up. On behalf of these hashtags, it is finding the post and commenting on that, and these are the time frames. Okay, so basically it is giving you all the comments history. Then this is the keywords. If you want to set up the keywords, like I have set up like this hashtag, you can done with that. Here you can see I have set up this hashtag AI. So you can add these kind of the hashtag on your relevant niche, and it will start interacting with those hashtags post. Okay, so that's how you can do that. So this is the PowerIn. The same process I have showed you, you can do with the Twitter here, and that's all. So let me talk about the pricing here. If I go to the plans here, like I said, this pricing starting from the just $39, and it has the tier 4 plan available. So in the tier 1 and the tier 2, you can just connect up to the one account, like your Twitter or the LinkedIn account. You can target 5 accounts, 5 comments per day. It will be happen. This is I'm talking about for the plan 1, and in the target 1 keywords, you can do the 20 comments per day with the target keyword here. Okay, and if you want more limits here, I suggest go with the plan 2. But if you want more extra features here, you have to go with plan 3 or the plan 4, because there are some extra features available, like you can connect both accounts, Twitter and the LinkedIn. You can see 15 Twitter target accounts, 15 LinkedIn target accounts. So highly growth, you have to go with the plan 3 and the 4. So if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. And somehow if you are not satisfied after using the PowerIn, there's the 60 days money back guarantee you can avail. So it's going to be risk free. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about, and it is back again on the AppSumo. Previously I have also done a detailed video on the PowerIn. This is the video I'm talking about, and today's video is the fresh with after all the updates and the UI improvisation. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe this channel, stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.